In this video, I will show you how to fix Steam not downloading games. First, open Steam and click the Steam logo in the top left corner. Then select Settings. From the left-hand menu, click Downloads. Make sure your download region is set to a location close to you. Also, check that Limit Download Speed is turned off. Next, scroll down and select Clear Download Cache. This can help fix issues where Steam downloads are stuck, paused, or not starting. Keep in mind that clearing the cache may log you out, so make sure you know your Steam login details. You can also check the game file transfer over local network option and enable it if needed. After making these changes, try downloading your game again. If the problem continues, go back to Settings and select Storage from the left-hand menu. Click the three dots next to your Steam library and select Repair Library. This can fix problems with the Steam library that may be preventing games or updates from downloading properly. Once you've completed these steps, try downloading your game again. And that's how you can fix Steam not downloading games.